Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and zip archives on your Xiaomi Redmi 10C using app called RAR. So first of all, we'll need to download the app, and we've shown that in our other video. You can check it out. And if when it's downloaded and opened, we'll need to locate the file that we want to unpack, and mine is located in DCIM and camera. Here's pictures.rar. Click on it. If it's protected by a password, you'll need to enter it right now. So for me it's 123, very simple. Now select the files that you want to pack by pressing on them like this. After that, click on the unpack button, which is located right here, is that arrow pointing up. Or if you want to unpack the entire archive instantly, click on this unpack icon without selecting any of the files. So now we can customize how the file is going to be unpacked, and first thing is to click on browse and select the destination for the files. So mine are going to be unpacked in movies. Clear as OK. From here, change the settings for the unpacking, like ask for overwrite without prompt, or skip existing files. You can enable to keep broken files or do not extract paths. After everything is set, click OK, and the files will be unpacked in our movies folder. So now let's move to the movies right here, and we can see all the photos. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.